Okay, so after a lot of trial and error, trying to fit this seat and get my head height safe and right, pretty much this chassis is too small for me. I'm too long in the torso, and I cannot get this seat any lower without it becoming unsafe. So what I've got to do is I've got to source another chassis. But thanks to Scott Motorsport, I'm already onto that. Already got another chassis coming and organised. So from here on, it's just stripping this car, getting everything off of it, getting this chassis out of here, getting the other one in, and putting it all back together. So getting a bit of a time crunch now, but keen to give it a crack and get it done.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you can see, got a fair chunk of it done today. Just got the motor and the diff to come out next, which next time we come around should be pretty straightforward. Just going to be waiting on a few bars and stuff welding into the new chassis before we can make progress on that as well. So happy to get it fairly well stripped and pretty close to the next one, ready to be putting that together.